Anthony Joshua, you cannot bow down to failure and expect to win. Does it make sense? Subscribe on this channel, click on the red button, and stay connected for all our video uploads. It is an eye-opener. You're welcome back again on this platform. This is BVI Channel 1. I'm going to make this one very, very short and brief because I'm trying to wrap my head around what the former governor of Abia State is saying in the video you are about to watch. I've watched it a couple of times and I'm trying to decode where this man is coming from and where he is heading to. But the underlying factor, I smell rats. Something fishy is about to start happening in our homeland. Listen to him.
That what is happening in Abia is not acceptable. Hallelujah. When we come to the bush, you know, we'll come to the bush, you know, have some local government. We'll come to the bush without a local government. And we'll come to the bush with the local government. I'm warning, we don't know we'll come to the bush. I'm warning everybody, do not allow your children to live in the bush. Anything they see in the bush, they will do.
Tukano is
don't say anything is gone. I'm telling you. I'm warning our people. From now to the next 4 months, anything the security see in the bush is okay. Do not live in the bush. Do not keep your people in the bush. Do not put your children in the bush. Just go to your farm and go. And if that COVID is going to be, it's going to be a midnight affair. We'll come the bush and remove everything. We'll come with the Nigerian Air Force, we'll come with the Nigerian Army. We'll come with everybody. And you will see the power of God. We want peace here. We want our business to continue.
Yes.
The Igbos are losing 25 billion every day. We close our businesses every day, and they cannot continue.
Amen.
I hope I'm still the governor of Abia State, but I'm not the governor. But God will touch. I'm going to be having a meeting with the governor this week to make sure that we reposition the state and cooperate with the federal government of Nigeria so that we can live in peace. Yes. Peace is more important than anything.
Yes, sir.
We need peace.
Yes, sir.
We need our people to be one. We need the business of our people to move on. We need people like Eto to invest here.
Yes, sir.
He's not investing. He's investing in Lagos and Abuja. My friend Ken is investing in Lagos and Abuja. These are all Munochi people here because there is no unity. Please, I love the Igbos. When I was governor, you know where I stand.
Yeah.
I stand very firmly with the Igbos. I can never leave the Igbos.
That's true.
But I'm a Nigerian.
Yes.
I'm an Igbo man.
Yes.
Because if I'm not an Igbo man, I cannot be a Nigerian.
Yeah.
If I'm not an Igbo man, I cannot come from Abia.
Yeah.
I'm from Abia and I'm Igbo man and I'm a Nigerian. President Buhari will surprise you people in the next 5 months. What we are still there to leave the bush, because we come to the bush. Anything we see in the bush, we will kill. That is the truth. Because we have disturbed the president so much that there's insecurity. The aircraft will come here, everything will come here between November and everything. I can't say the time.
Yes.
But it will be a surprise raid. So those people living in the bush should leave the bush.
Yeah.
All parts of Abia will come with.
I'm getting a good job.
They should go.
I'm getting a good job.
We can still make money. The overall world, they are hungry. The problem we are having in Nigeria, we are having in the United States. We are having in Tunisia, we are having in Togo, we are having in Benin, we are having in Britain, we are having in Turkey, we have everywhere. There's a problem everywhere.
Can you tell me what you can decode from this? I sense threat. I sense imminent danger. Many people is about to die. Many people is about to lose their source of livelihood from the farms. Many people will not be able to access their farmland anymore. That is what I am sensing. I am sensing another confrontation or killing indiscriminately of innocent people. That is what I am sensing. Although I am an advocate for peace in our homeland, I have vowed and committed to ensuring the prosperity of our homeland and that our land should be calm and free from criminal activities in whatever guise. But this coming from Orji Kalu, I question his credibility to be in the position to tell Igbo, especially in the Abia state, what is good for them. As a governor, what did he do? As a top politician, what contribution did he make when the threats of marauding armed cow rustlers were busy ransacking villages, destroying farmlands, killing people? What did he do? What was his stand when it comes to end in open grazing that pose greater threat to lives and properties and businesses in our homeland? He's talking about people are running away, his friends are running away from investing in Igbo land, in Abia state, and attributing it to innocent people. He said his own people. He said my people. He is warning his own people, not the marauding cattle rustlers that even the federal government have said that they are Fulanis from outside Nigeria, armed with sophisticated weapons. He is not warning them, but rather he is warning his own people that are trying to defend themselves from these foreign invaders. They want to continue in their business. You heard him say that. I wonder the business he is doing for the benefit of the public interest or the Abia state people. Ask his friends, have their business ever been in Igbo land? No is the answer. They've always invested in Abuja. So they shouldn't attribute their investment outside Igbo land to the defense of our homeland by the people rising to do what the government failed to do. That is my position. I want everyone to share this video because many people are not talking about it. We will be found wanting. This is where I expect every Igbo man to rise up and ask Orji Kalu question. This thing he is saying, is he threatening our people or is he trying to do something we don't know about? Please help me share this video. I want everyone to see and watch this video. Subscribe to this channel. Click on the red button. Subscribe. It is free. We are rebuilding back our community. They think they can shut down the voice of the people by shutting down our previous channel. We are bouncing back and we count on you to subscribe, share, like, and be part of this community where you can get nothing but the truth. I'm the voice of the people. I'm an advocate for good governance. The voice of the oppressed indigenous people in Nigeria, whether from the east, north, west, and south. Here is your home, where your voice will be heard. I'm signing out. Help me share this video. Bye-bye for now.